Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about Funnelytics and Clickfunnels and why I went the direction I went. And first of all, I'm going to start off by saying the people that I'm talking to you that have no clue on what to do online, don't know anything about a business, don't know how to work on it, don't know anything about this kind of stuff. Those are the ones I'm talking to, because what you're doing is you're probably doing your research right now. You don't know what's going on, you don't know anything about it, you don't know how to do it. But let me tell you something. What I found out, what you need to do is you need to get a mentor. You need to get somebody that knows what they're doing, follow them, do what they tell you to do, and you will get results. Okay? I found Franklin Hatchett, who has walked me through this process step by step. And when I tell you it's step by step, what I'm talking about is he does a video for you that you implement. Then you go to the next video and you implement it. If you are an audio visual learner like me, okay, I cannot read on the website and implement stuff. It just doesn't work in my brain. I have to see it, I have to hear it, and then I implement it. If that's you, listen to what I have to say, okay? What he will do with you is he will partner with you, and then he will walk you through the process step by step. Okay, what we're talking about is affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know anything about affiliate marketing is where you take other people's products or services and you recommend them to other people and you get a commission for that. Okay, so what we're talking about right now is Clickfunnels. And Clickfunnels I worked with, and I didn't really understand it, but I came across Franklin Hatchett, and I looked at Funnelytics, and I was confused with that one as much. It just didn't resonate with me, and it didn't make any sense. But like I said, I found Franklin. He walked me through the process step by step, okay, and made things a whole lot easier for me. Because like I said, I'm an audio-visual learner. If that's what you are, then you need to check this out, okay? What's going to happen, or what we're going to do is Clickfunnels at the present time is giving a free 14-day trial of their program. Now, if you click the link below for Clickfunnels, okay, what's going to happen is Franklin and I are going to send you 4 free trainings on what Clickfunnels is, how to get it set up, and all that type of stuff with Clickfunnels. I would suggest you watch all 4 videos. What we're going to do is we're going to send you 4 videos over the next 4 days. Okay, the first one's about 15-20 minutes. The other ones are about 45 minutes. Okay, watch the videos. Check them out. Okay, if you're looking for a business, it doesn't hurt just to check out the videos. Okay, and you will see, if you're like me, the light went off in my head, and I was like, I'm on board with this. And so I went ahead and did it. Now, once you get into Clickfunnels and once you get it all set up, the rest of it is completely automated. I mean, it does the work for you. All you do is drive traffic to your page. Now, those of you that are like me are like, how in the world am I going to drive traffic? I don't even know how to do that. He walks you through it step by step. He gives you a platform. You can either use Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and he shows you how to do that. Okay? He'll walk you through it step by step, videos and everything else about how to do this. That's what I liked about it. I needed that. Okay? That's what I needed. And I'm sure there's people out there, and I'm talking to you, that need the same thing. You need to have your hand held, walk through the process step by step so that you can start doing this and implementing it. That's what I needed, and that's what I'm using. It just made things so much easier for me. I was pulling my hair out, not understanding anything. I sat there and I'm like, okay, I understand how that is, but how do you do it? And I worked with other people that were step by step, but for me, they were not step by step. They talked too fast. They didn't slow down. They weren't it. I just needed that step by step. Take your time, tranquilo, suave, and relax, and let's do it this way, okay? I can't handle those people that are talking so fast that you can't understand them. That's not me. I like things slow. I like to understand it. I like to implement it, and then I like to make it and do it. Okay? Now, one of the other things that I want you guys to understand is those of you that are doing your research, you're trying this stuff out right now, You have to understand the tax advantages that you are going to be getting from having a home-based business. There's a book. It's called "It's Not How Much You Make, It's How Much You Keep That Counts." Okay, and I'm going to leave that down in the description also. You can get it on Amazon. It's about $15 used, maybe $60 brand new. Get the book and read the book, because the first thing you're going to find out is, with the tax advantages, it's going to pay for your business. The tax advantages alone will pay for your business. Just to give you a little bit of an idea about the book. Okay, let's say that you have to drive 100 miles a day to and from work. Let's just use that number, okay? You get up in the morning, you check your emails for your business. You go to work. You come back from work, you check your emails. So you have just worked, and then you went to work, and then you went to work. And by the government standards, you can deduct that mileage. That means that's 100 miles a day that you can deduct, 500 miles a week. Now, at the rate, I think it's like 54% or cents per mile. Let's just figure that's $250 a week that you can write off of your taxes. That's $1,000 a month. That's $12,000 a year that you're writing off of your taxes for mileage. That pays for your business. Okay, and then some. And that's not counting some of the other things that you're going to be able to get for tax deductions. If you go out to dinner with friends, you can deduct that. If you go on a vacation, you can deduct that. You just have to check out the book, read the book, implement what it says, and start your home-based business. Now, you have 5 years to make a profit. 5 years to make a profit. You can be writing off all that stuff, your mortgage, your rent, your mileage, gas, whatever you want to write off that's in the book. Read the book, and you can write that off. I mean, it pays for the business. It helps you get started. I mean, that's the stuff that I'm talking about. Franklin walks you through how to get this started, what to do. I can't do anything but rave about the guy, because he really helped me out when I was starting my business. Okay? Now, what you need to do is you need to hit the subscribe button, because that helps me out. Give me a thumbs up if you like the content. Hit that bell so you can see when I'm putting up new content. But for right now, I mean, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. And yeah, I mean, let's do something, let's see how it works, and let's just take it from there. You guys have a good day, and I'll upload another one tomorrow. Later.